Hello everyone. So today I'm going to be assembling a sideboard that I ordered from Wayfair. On Wayfair it's called the Santillanes 47.25-inch wide sideboard. But the box that it came in has a different name on it, but it looks like it's the same model. The box it says Willa channel sideboard. So anyway, let's see what it looks like once it's assembled, and let's just get into it. Okay, so I have unpacked all the things from the box over here. Um, the good thing I like about the packaging is that every single piece is labeled with alphabets, as you can see, and then the assembly instructions actually use those labels so that you don't mess up any screws. They've also given some extra hardware in case there's any missing, and even the parts of the board are also labeled on the top here. So hopefully this should come along very nicely. All right, I'm done assembling this sideboard. It looks beautiful in our dining room. There are some scuff marks on the front door, but they are barely visible, and I think they can easily be corrected with just some marker. But yeah, that's it. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe to my channel and keep watching for more. Thank you.